Good morning, y'all. It's Saturday, December 28th, 2024. It's balmy 70 degrees outside, just a beautiful day. The sun's it looks like it'll be fairly clear skies. And welcome to Cooking on Carrera. I want to just talk a little bit about what Cooking on Carrera is going to be about. First of all, I don't have a clue about cooking, okay? But we got that out of the way. But I've been watching thousands of YouTubes lately on cooking, different things. And so I decided to set up this kitchen and do a little show on Cooking on Carrera. I won't be doing all the cooking. I'm going to invite people in to cook whatever it is they cook, and maybe I can learn something about cooking. But I'm building a beautiful kitchen, and anyway, I want to show you around the kitchen right now. Well, we're currently still in the construction phase. They got the roof on. And then the holidays came up, so they have shut down until after the first of the year, which is fine. Everyone needs to enjoy their families for Christmas. And right now we still have this plywood here. This is just a temporary dog wall to keep our dog Lacey from getting out. We can still go out on the porch, which it's a mess. Everything's filthy. Once they took the bird cage off, everything's blowing in here. There's leaves everywhere. It's dirty. We'll get it cleaned up in time. But so right there is where I got a tub sink. It's going to go there. Matter of fact, I got the tub sink, and then there's going to be just a prep table going here, or whatever you want to call it. The refrigerator's going there. Now there's the tub sink that's going over there in the corner, and there's a prep table back there behind it. Then I've got this cabinet over here that'll fit in here somewhere. It's on rollers. I can move it around just for storing cooking items. There's going to be a table that's going to go here in the center, and there's power that piece of pipe coming up there. That's conduit for the power for anything we want to do on the table. It's going to be a cook station right over there, where that's conduits coming up. The power there. I don't know, put the Blackstone or the Pet Boss there, put the other one over here on this one. Those 2x4s, those are just temporary braces from when they poured the cap and put everything up. And we're going to have power coming out on that corner. I'm going to have power on all four corners of the ceiling, so I can power the roller screens that are going to be on the outside. And talking about a green screen that'll roll up and down on the inside on a couple of these walls. And this is the half bath. We're going to have your sink and toilet, and we're going to plumb in air conditioning up through the existing vent so that it won't get too hot or too cold in this bathroom. Now that concludes today's Cooking on Carrera. Not much cooking today. See ya.